Kitty, come with the ball. Oh, cute kitty. Hi friends, see how Kitty is playing here with the ball and doing long jump over there. And this morning one bird is coming in our home, and then here I am taking Kitty sleeping on me, and here Kitty is rolling over there, and now I am playing with the kitty, and she will do long jumping there and playing along with the ball, and she loves to playing with these things, and she is very playful cat, as you know already. And I am holding the ball, and she is just jumping over there, as you can see here. Now Kitty is playing here again, as you see. And then I will give her ball to the outside, and she will bring it out there. Now I am throwing it off. First, yes, I am throwing it off, and then she will come with the ball, and she gave it on my hand. Just wait and see. See how she is giving me. She is very playful cat. She is watching towards me so that I will throw the ball and she will bring it again. And she is waiting for that, so I was just throw it off and she bring it. Here Kitty got hormonal changes so that she was rolling around over there, and for the long time she is just rolling over the bed, and I was thinking that she is feeling warm in the summer season, so that I just make her bath, and then she was cleaning herself, and again she is rolling over there, and she just fall off from the bed also, and now she is looking towards us and just rolling over and floating around here. Now here she is rolling around and just fall off from the bed also, and then she was floating in the floor, and this floor she was rolling everywhere around, and we were worried what happened to her, and I was thought she was in playful mode and she is playing around in the floor and floating over there, but it's just in hormonal changes, so I was decided to giving her some medicine for that, so I am giving this stress relieving syrup. You can also give to your pets. So friends, she was just rolling around for a long time here in the room, and then after some time she gets into the normal state. Now here she is moving toward outside the room, so I was decided to let's throw out the ball and play with her so that she will stop it, but she was not, and I was keep calling her here outside, but she is keep rolling, and after the syrup she get normal. Here I am keeping her in the bed again and for some rest. Here she is cleaning herself, and then she will sleep for an hour and she will get normal. So guys, when sleeping with the kitty, we always used to sleep like this mostly, and she loves it. So friends, one small bird is coming in our home in the morning, and we used to feed bird daily on the morning time, and she is small, she is scared to fly. So after some time of rest, we decided to fly her. So after keeping for some time and she is in rest, so after that we just fly away near the tree where her mom was also there. I am keeping her asleep for some time, then we'll back to here. Now here it's evening time and Kitty is watching over the window outside the dogs and the kids are playing outside, and she is likes to sit there on the window and she watch the birds over there. Birds are flying outside. Now here she is looking for the birds, and birds are used to come sit on the wires, and she is looking there. Now here Kitty is sleeping with her mom, and look guys how happily Kitty is sleeping here, and she likes to sleep always with some. She thought that someone will always along with her. She don't like to be alone, so that she was abandoned by her mom. That's why she is being like that. She is sleeping in her different patterns and happily sleeping Kitty here. So cute penguin kitty is sleeping here. Also the teddy bear, also the cute toys are sleeping. So friends, Kitty was sleeping there and I was came here to disturb her, and she was not get disturbed and she likes it, and I am moving around my hands into her head and she was sleeping suddenly. So bye friends, thank you for watching.